Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created this manage category part of my cafe management system project. If you are not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, I'm going to create a new JFrame for this new product. So let us start with that. Let me exit this application. Let me create a new JFrame over here. So just right click on this and we have to click on JFrame form. And here we have to write add new product, and after that we have to click on finish. It will create a new JFrame form. You can see form has been created. Now we have to double click on this and we have to increase the sizes to 700 comma 400. Okay, and save this. After that we have to go to the properties of this form and we have to remove min max close button. So just click on this. After that we have to set the location where we have to open this page. So just click on this location and remove this 0 and here write 350. After that here we have to write 134 and we have to click on OK and close this. After that we have to save this form and let's place here label over here, and we also need a button, so let's place it over here and let's write the name first, new product. After that we are going to insert a button icon first. So let's go to the image and we have to select this close. Okay, close this. We have to edit this text and remove this. Let's decrease this to 30. After that we have to place it over here, and after that we have to we also need to insert an icon in this. So just going to the icon images, and after that we have to select new product. So we have to select for new product. So move a little bit down. You can see new product.png exists. So click on OK and close this. After that we have to increase the size of this text. We will do it later after inserting the form data, after inserting all the labels. And here the first field which we are going to use for name. So we are getting it from user name. After that the next which we are going to use for a category, and the last which we are going to use for price. So let's write here price, and here we are going to insert text field, and let me increase the sizes to, let's say we increase the size to 300 to 3 something. After that for this category which we are retrieving from our database, so we are going to use here a combo box because we don't need to write here text. Okay, so let's place a combo box over here and let's increase the sizes to this one. After that we have to insert a text field over here. So let's insert here and let's increase the size of this one. And after this all we have to insert two buttons. So let's place button 1 over here, sorry 2, and at last button this one. You can see almost our GUI is ready. We have to do some changes over here. So let's remove this and let's first insert icon for this. So just go to this one and here we have to select the image package and we have to click on clear. Okay, close this, and here we have to write clear, and after that we have to write save, and after that we have to insert the icon. So just click on this images and here we have to click on save. So we have to select this one. Okay, just close this and save this. After that we have to increase the size of this all. So we need to select this one by one and we have to make it as bold 14. Go to the properties of this and we have to select bold 14. Okay, just close this. You can see size has been increased. After that go to the properties of this category combo box. After that we have to delete this all because we are going to say insert this is from while coding. Okay, after that you can see our GUI is almost ready. So we need to change the layout. So I am changing it to absolute layout. After that we have to insert a label so that we can insert a image in the background, and here we have to select the image and here we have to select for small page background image, and we have to close it and we have to place it perfectly on this form, and we have to double click on this. You can see the label is visible for this form. We have to Just delete that and save this. After that we have to you can see our GUI almost ready. So before that we have to change the color of this field, sorry, this variables. So let's make it as white. So just need to click on this, okay, and we have to just close it. You can see our GUI is completely ready now. Now for to store these details we have to create a table. So let's move to the DAO. In that we have a table.java. Here we have to, and here we have to create write query to create the table. So string, and here we have to write product table equals doubles semicolon create table product, and after that we have to write here int id int auto increment, and after that we have to write primary key, and after that we have to write here the name varchar. Let's take it has 200, and after that category varchar, let's take it as 200. After category the next is price, sorry, so price, and here we have to write varchar 200 and save this. So let me show you the complete query of this. You can see create table product ID int auto increment primary key name varchar category varchar price varchar 200. Okay, after that we have to execute this. So we have to just copy this part and we have to paste it over here, and we have to copy this product table to here, and here we have to write product table created successfully. After that we have to comment this this three tables. Actually we already created this, so we have to just create the last product table. So right click on this and run file. It will create the table. Let's wait for a few seconds. Actually, yeah, product table created successfully. Click on OK and revert whatever we commented over here, and let's check it out, our table has been created or not. You can see a product table has been created. Let's see the description of product table, and here you can see ID name category price. You can see everything detailed related to that over here. After that we have to move to this, and to insert we have to generate the getter setter for these details. So first we are going to create here a table. So not table, okay, we already created the table, so we have to create a model. So just right click on this and we have to create a Java class which name should be product, and click on finish. So here you can see we created a product table, and now we have to declare few variables which we created in that table. So int id, after that private string name, private string category after that private string price, and we have to put semicolon. After that we have to right click on this and we have to click on insert code, and we have to click on getter and setter. So after that we have to select all the fields and we have to click on generate. It will generate the getter setter. For that you can see it's generated. Now save this and close this product.java. After that we have to move to this one DAO, and we have to create a DAO. So just right click on this and create a Java class, and here we have to create product DAO. So whatever the things related to we had inserting, updating, whatever things, we are going to write the query over here, and we are going to call that query from our add new product and other pages too. So let's click on finish. It will create a product DAO. After that, first thing is we have to import models. So model dot, and after that we have to click on product, and we imported this. And after this we have to create a method. So public static void save and after that like it should be void because we are going to insert the details. So in that case we don't need to return anything. That's why I'm making it as void provide. Okay, so here we have to we have to get the product details. So product, we are getting that, and product. Okay, and after this we have to write the query. So string query equals to, in doubles we have to write the query insert into product, and here we have to write the name. So name of the column. So ID is automatically generated, that's why we are not writing over here. Category, price, these things, and here we have to write the values, and let's say one single doubles plus plus, and here we have to write product this one dot get name. After that, then same way we have to copy two more times and we have to just change the name. So let me paste it to 1 2, and we have to change the name only. So get we have to write category. After at last get price, this one. So you can see the complete query. It should be insert into product name, category, price, values, product dot get name, product dot get category, product dot get price. After that we have to execute it, right? So we are going to call the db operation method, and in that we are going to pass this query to set data, and we are pass the query, and here we have to pass the message whatever we want to display. So product added successfully, and after that we have to save it. So you can see the product DAO part is also completed for this add new product. So we just need to close this for now, and let's move to the add new product. So first thing is whenever the page loads, so save button should be disabled. So we are going to write here. Okay, few more things we forget to do, we just need to change the variable name. So txt name, and here we have to change the variable name. So txt category, and after that we have to write change txt price, and we have to click on OK and save this. And we also need to change the variable of this one. So btn save OK, and we also need to change this. So btn clear OK and save this. After that we have to move it back over here. So btn save, we are going to call this, and dot set enable we are going to make it as false, because whenever page load it should be disabled. After that we are going to write the code to enable that button. So let's move here. So public void validate fields, and here we have to just write few line of the code. String name equals txt name dot get text, this one. After that string price equals txt price dot get text, txt text, and after that we have to write if name dot equals this one, and we are going to check it like it should be similar to this. So in that case we have to enable that button. So let's say right here price also price dot get text, sorry, so it should be equals, and here we just need to write this btn save dot set enable and here we have to write true, and else in else condition we have to disable that button. So dot set enable, and we have to write here false. So in this way we are going to enable and disable buttons. So we also need to call that method. So event key released and event key released. So in both event we have to call the validate field method, and here we also need to write validate field method and save this. After this, the next thing is we have to load the details in this combo box, right? So for that we have to generate events like whenever this pages get load. So in that case we need to call that. So we have to click on this JFrame, not on any label or anything. We have to click on this JFrame, right click on this, and generate a component show event. This one, you can see form component show event. In this we are going to array, we are going to load that data. Okay, array list, this one, and this should be okay. Whenever we write this, it will import few things. You can see Java util package, it's imported. Okay, after that we have to write here category. So we did till now we did not imported that, so we have to import that. Import, so model dot category, and we also need to import few more things. Import model dot product, this one also. After that let's write here category, this one, and after that we have to write here list equals to, we also need to call the category DAO actually to get the details related to category. So import DAO dot category DAO, this one, and after that category DAO dot get all records. We have a method in that we already created in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. After that we have to call the iterator. This also belongs to util package actually. So let's call that, delete this and call the iterator. You can see. After that we have to move back over here, and here we have to write category, this one. After that we have to write here itr equals to list dot iterator, and after that we have to write while iterator dot hash next. In that case we need to add the items. So category, this one, category object. Okay, so category object equals to obj equals to itr dot next, and after that j, okay, txt, we have a category, this one, dot add items, this one, and here we have to write category object, this one, this one, first one, dot get name, and we have to save this. Okay, we are getting some kind of okay, it's automatically gets removed actually. In this way we are going to add category name in this combo box. After that we have to write the code whenever we click on save button. So just double click on that, you can see it generated a event. After that we have to create the object for product table, and here we have to write product equals new product, and after that we have to write product dot set name, and here we have to write txt and name dot get text, this one, product dot set category, and txt category we are going to write here dot dot get selected item, and it should be in form of a string. So I'm just writing here a string and save this. After that we have to write here product dot set price, and here in this at this place we have to write txt price dot get text, and after that we have to call the product DAO. Okay, till now we did not imported that actually, so we have to import that. So import DAO dot product DAO, and let's get back over here, and after that we have to save, and in this we just need to pass this object. You can see this one. After that we have to write we have to hide this page, and we have to again show this page. So new add new product dot set visible, and here we are going to make it as true and save this. After this we have to write the code to clear this field. So I'm just going to copy these 2 lines of the code and paste it over here. Let's format this, and after that we have to write the code for this line. So I'm just writing here set visible. We are going to hide this page, so false, and save this. So let's we also need to connect this add new product page with the home page. So move to the design section and just double click on new product. It will generate a new event, and here we have to write new add new product dot set visible, and here we have to write true. So now it's time to test it. It's working fine or we are getting any issue. So let's open this, and here we have to click on new product. So you can see a category name is visible. So let's add some more category and let's check it out. It's working fine or we are getting any error. So I'm writing here soup. Let's click on save. Category added successfully. So click on OK. You can see the tea and soup over here. So after that, click on new product. We can see the 2 categories. It means that it's working fine. So let's click on this one soup, and let's write the name over here. So bean soup, and let's set the price to 200. You can see it's also working fine. Like whenever we did not write that price, it will disable the save button. Let me click on product added successfully, and let's write something, and let's write here price, and let's try to clear. You can see it's also working fine. So let's close this application and let me check it out. It's visible, drills are in our database or not, saved in our database or not. So let's open this. You can see product ID 1 bean, category soup, price 200 is here. So this is all about add new product part of cafe management system project. I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.